What is up, guys? Today I got a butterfly napkin because I thought it would be funny and I already read it. So I'm just going to be teaching you guys a regular open and a regular shut. And the zero over, I think, that I can't do. Or how can do, but really better. Just do it. So I'll be teaching you the basic opener. So the comb is better practice with if you're under the age of 18. You can get in a lot of trouble just having a blunt knife like this. I'm getting another one off of eBay, which I might review. I don't know if it has a brand or not, I might check that soon, but the rollover is a fun trick. This one came from Comic-Con, which is actually really good. So I'm going to teach you the basic opening right now. I'm in my Speedo pajamas. So, it depends what side is your comb on, if you're using a comb. This is the butt side, I'll just say, because this really hurts. And this is the safe side with the flick. Okay? So, you want to be holding it by this one, this handle, flip, or flap. Lock, whatever you want to call it. Then you want to flip it out and turn it, then back in, and when you do it back in, make sure that your fingers look like this so you can just snap right into place and then you can grab it. Now this is what it's going to normally look like. I'm going to still do that one very soon at the start, but basic shot, you're going to want to hold it by the same handle again, the one with the flat thingy. You're going to want to do the exact same thing, flip it over, back this way, and when it's like this, flick it up. So it's going to go like this, that way, flick up. So I don't know if there even is a rollover to shut it. There probably is, but I haven't learned that one yet. So I'm just going to teach you guys a regular Zen rollover and how to get it back up once it's down. So you're going to want to hold it by the bite handle if it's the opposite way, which I don't know why it is. The handle without a flap here. This one. Normally this would be there. And the flap would be on this side, but it's not surprisingly. So you're going to want to hold it right here, basically about a thumbnail away from the end. Then you want to flick it, and that momentum should make it spin around your finger, and you got to catch it by this, and it's going to allow it to flip down. Then you hold it like that. Snap it back up. So I'll teach you the trick now. So I'll do it really fast. That's what it's supposed to look like. I don't know why I'm doing this for that as well. I think it's really hard. So you're going to want to put basically at the bowl or anywhere. If you have one of these, like there, so you want to flick it, and it will spin around, and you'll be able to grab it by heel, and do this. So, that's the basic open, the basic close. then we're gonna go away. Which is probably my favorite ship right now. So see you guys next time. Bye.